Hi, I'm Joseph Hoffman, and in this lesson we'll be learning the correct fingering and technique for playing a two-octave F minor scale using natural, harmonic, and melodic minor. We'll also learn how to play the F minor arpeggio as well. Let's come to the piano to get started. F minor is a flat key, and remember that on our ladder of fifths, we add flats by going down fifths. So C major has no flats, but if we go down a fifth to F, now we have one flat. We can go down another fifth, perfect fifth, mind you, to B flat. That gives us two flats, down another perfect fifth to E flat. Now we have three flats. Then if we go down one more perfect fifth, now we have four flats, which is the key of A flat major, or if we want to find the relative minor, remember we go down a half step plus a whole step, we land on F. So F minor is the relative minor to A flat major, which means they'll use the same pitches, same key signature, we're just starting two steps below. But we'll still have those same four flats that we had in A flat major, and that's why they're relatives. So for the F natural minor scale, let's start with the right hand, and we're going to start with a group of four. Normally with the right hand, if we're playing like a C major scale, we start with a group of three, then a group of four, but because of where the flats are positioned, we'll need to start with a group of four. And I recommend when you first learn a scale, play them in a cluster like this. And this will train your fingers to be in the right position. Make sure your fingers are in a nice, curved and relaxed piano posture shape. Then we'll have a group of three, then another group of four, then another group of three, and then finger four will play the top note, then a group of three, group of four. Try this on your piano with me if you're not already, then a group of four. And then, once you feel comfortable with that, try it one note at a time. As always, be careful with the fingerings early on so you train the right habits. It will save you a lot of time down the road if you learn the correct fingerings from the start. Pause to work on the right hand, F natural minor scale, two octaves, then press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, let's try the left hand now. We'll start with finger five and then a group of four. This group has a white, black, black, white. Try this with me on your piano. Then a group of three, another group of four, and then we finish with a group of three. We can repeat that group to come down now, descending, group of four, group of three, group of four, and then we finish with the finger of five. Good. And then you can play it one note at a time, up and down. Press pause and work on the left hand natural minor scale, F minor, up and down, then press play to go on. Okay, now let's try harmonic minor. Remember, for harmonic, we raise the seventh note one half step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 would be E flat. We raise it to E natural, giving it that kind of exotic harmonic minor sound. Left hand. Same fingering. Now we're just changing the E flat to an E natural. Pause and work on both the right hand and then the left hand, F harmonic minor scale, two octaves, then press play to go on. Okay, now we have three flavors of minor that we've learned about. We know natural, we know harmonic, and now we also know melodic. We raise the sixth and seventh scale degrees. In the key signature, both D and E are flat, so for melodic minor, we raise them to D natural, E natural. So we'll get this. And for the left hand. Pause to work on the F melodic minor scale, right hand and left hand, then press play when you're ready to go on. All right, let's look at playing the F minor arpeggio. Remember, for an arpeggio, we're just using a one chord and playing the notes one at a time. We'll go up and down 2 octaves. So the right hand, our fingering will be 1, 2, 3, then finger 1 glides under, 2, 3, 5 plays the top note, 3, 2, 1, finger 3 glides over, 3, 2, 1. And don't worry so much about playing a legato from when your thumb has to come under that far. You're just going to kind of shift up. There'll be the slightest break in your legato, but when you start playing it faster, you won't even notice the break. Pause to work on the right hand F minor arpeggio, then press play to go on. All right, time for the left hand to try the F minor arpeggio. You'll start on a finger 5, then 4 on the A flat, 2 on the C. 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. And again, you're working on a smooth motion. Try not to let your elbow flop around a lot. Just let your fingers glide over. Keep your wrist and fingers really flexible. Try to find the most subtle, efficient, easy way to play it possible without any extra motions. Pause to work on the left hand F minor arpeggio, then press play to go on. Now, on your own this week, do lots of practicing with the F minor natural, harmonic, and melodic scales and the arpeggio. You can use metronome, start just one note per click, but then when you feel confident, you can go 2 notes per click. Work on a smooth, even sound. You can try staccato, you can try legato, you can try different dynamics. Use variety as you practice. You can build flexibility into your technique. Great job learning how to play the F natural, harmonic, and melodic minor scales, as well as the F minor arpeggio. Happy practicing, and see you next time.